Huawei P20 Pro v Apple iPhone, why one of these devices now has a monumental advantage. Huawei's P20 Pro won a host of awards in 2018, but there's now a big reason why Apple's iPhone has a huge advantage. Huawei's P20 Pro continues to be a supremely good phone that was easily one of the best devices of 2018. With this flagship impressing technology, experts across the globe, it beat all of its rivals, including Apple's iPhone, to win the best smartphone of the year. Despite it being over a year old, there's still plenty to like about the P20 Pro, especially as it's recently been reduced in price to under £500. For your money, you get a 6.1-inch display, huge 4,000 mAh battery and a triple rear camera that can shoot a range of images with an improved zoom and wide-angle lens both included. Despite all of these features and awards, it's not all good news for the P20 Pro, with the Apple iPhone now gaining one huge advantage over this device. Trade-in values for the P20 Pro have plummeted in recent weeks, with Huawei's 2018 flagship now worth a fraction of its original price. In fact, sites such as MusicMagie are now offering just £50 for the P20 Pro. Compare that to Apple's iPhone and you can see why the US technology firm has such a massive advantage. An iPhone SE, launched in 2015, is currently worth £80 despite being 3 years older than the P20 Pro. If you own an iPhone 8, launched in 2017, you can currently get over £270 if you trade it in. And it's not just Apple devices that have an advantage over their Chinese rival, with Samsung and Google phones also worth much more than the P20 Pro. Here's what phones are worth according to MusicMagie. Huawei P20 Pro, launched March 2018, worth £50. Apple iPhone SE, launched September 2015, worth £80. Apple iPhone 7, launched September 2016, worth £130. Apple iPhone 8, launched September 2017, worth £273. Apple iPhone X, launched September-March 2017, worth £430. Samsung Galaxy S8, launched April 2017, worth £160. Samsung Galaxy S9, launched March 2018, worth £230. Google Pixel 2, launched October 2017, worth £140. Google Pixel 3, launched November 2018, worth £300. So why have Huawei prices taken such a tumble? Firstly, prices for the P20 Pro began to drop once the new P30 Pro was launched in March. This latest flagship brings numerous improvements to the brand, including an embedded fingerprint scanner, more power, and wireless charging. However, that may not be the biggest reason that prices have been sent crashing. Late last month, Google announced that it is being forced to suspend Huawei's Android license. This was in response to the Trump administration adding Huawei Technologies Co. Ltd. to a trade blacklist. Speaking about the new ban, a Google spokesperson said, "We are complying with the order and reviewing the implications. For users of our services, Google Play and the security protections from Google Play Protect will continue to function on existing Huawei devices." Although Huawei has confirmed it will keep updating current software on devices, it seems unlikely that phones, such as the P20 Pro, will receive any major Android upgrades in the future, and that could be hugely disappointing for users. Google recently revealed its new Android Q operating system, which is expected to be released later this year. But the new ban could mean Huawei users will now be stuck with the current Android 9 Pie OS and won't ever get to see the new features on offer with Q. This shock news seems to have created a rush of people trying to get rid of their phones. Website MusicMagie said it saw Huawei trade-ins increase by 154% following the news that Huawei's use of Android is being restricted by Google. In fact, the Huawei P20 was the third most traded-in phone of the day at the tech site. This was ahead of popular devices such as the Samsung S8, iPhone 6, and iPhone 7. The trade-in value of the Huawei P20 Pro has dropped dramatically this week following Google's announcement, said John Miller, MD of Electronics at MusicMagie. Although the company's statement is clear that all current handsets will retain their access to the Play Store and customers will continue to be able to update their apps, consumer confidence has disappeared and right now, there is a lot of uncertainty in the market. It's unclear if prices will return to a higher level, or if the Google ban will be reversed, but in response to the news, Huawei said, Huawei has made substantial contributions to the development and growth of Android around the world. As one of Android's key global partners, we have worked closely with their open-source platform to develop an ecosystem that has benefited both users and the industry. Huawei will continue to provide security updates and after-sales services to all existing Huawei and Honor smartphone and tablet products covering those have been sold or still in stock globally. We will continue to build a safe and sustainable software ecosystem, in order to provide the best experience for all users globally.